Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back in the music lab and I'm hitting and smashing out. Bang, I know people. You already see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, that mafia. Today we're back in the music lab with one artist that's no straight next to the channel. The other one I think is new. This is the first time we're reacting. But yeah, man, today we're back in an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Today we got Squash and Zizi 10 piece. Yeah, man, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. I think this dropped like a day or two ago, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, guys. And before I even jump in the chat, guys, you didn't know I gotta check in with you. How y'all doing today? Y'all been staying prayed up? Y'all been drinking your water? You been staying on your grinding on your purpose? I hope so, man. I hope y'all been taking care of yourself out there. I hope y'all been drinking your water, and I hope y'all been staying prayed up. You only got one life to live, so I hope you out there making the best of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys, today we got Squash and Zizi 10 piece. We're gonna see what go on. You don't know, a lot of things been going on with Squash, so I didn't even know he's gonna drop any new tune anytime soon, but he's dropping songs, so and that's good. So we're gonna check it out and see what go on today. Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man, jumping there if you saw. But before that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe button. You know, and turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload. You don't know, say yo, it's a latest reaction channel on YouTube. Reaction that with latest music channel, reaction channel, latest dance reaction channel, whatever you want to call it. Latest one man podcast channel on YouTube. So you don't want to miss out the video. Them, trust me, do yourself a favor. You don't want to miss out the vibes. Yeah, man. Today we got Squash and Zizi 10 piece. Yeah, man, interesting video more and see what go on, you know what I'm saying? So we're not hold up the vibes much longer. Once again, this is Squash, Zizi 10 piece. Let's get it.
Leave a chip one at a time. You're automatic. You know we're dark after dark after dark. Midnight settings.
Oh, I like the energy. Oh, I like the energy. I like the energy. So we run up and I will see I empty. Yeah, I like the energy. Alright, let's get it.
You know it's style. Mirror that time.
Yo, this is Squash and Zizi 10 piece. Oh, go on, let's see what's going on.
Choppy never left a Glock 16 with a pan clap, cheap and flat blow.
No,
Just add Owens.
This is
Oh, hey, Owen. What are you drinking?
Allow me to
Simply spiked.
Disrespectful as shit, bro. Go up to them people, I want to auntie and that. We gotta pull up the vibes. Go up to you, man. What's the remix of the song? What's that song? It's like a sample. What's the name of that song, guys? Let me know in the comment section, yo. This man.
You know it's style. Mirror that time.
What sample is this, bro?
Choppy never left a Glock 16 with a pan clap, cheap and flat blood drip and a drop killer them da, but we go feel them in a sonat. Love it, dirty J the bama with the stand.
Killer da, but go for them in a sonat. I want to hear my big Drake with the stand.
Come in a gas school, never say fi follow man. Tip piece, bust face, you know, like a rubber band. Why dead in a place, anywhere we do the drag. So we fuck up anywhere, and when we buck up in a cap, yo.
Jaja, fuck up anywhere, and we buck up in a cap. I want to send a guy school, enough to follow back a man. I want so cheap glass bust head like a rubber band. Come in, man.
I saw me run up and a pussy empty, 10 piece. The clip load like Game Boy SP. We left him silently, then we go back out and blame me. I saw me.
Ja. Man say I saw we run up and empty 10 piece. Yo, so we kill boy silently, then we go back at hotel and blame weed. Hey, come in, man. Real man, I think coming here I go and this mad dog. This mad, the lyrics are hard, no boy. I'll be a 9 ball, I come out and the lyrics are
see I empty 10 piece, the clip load like Game Boy SP. We left him silently, then we go back out
like Game Boy SP.
I saw we run up and a pussy empty 17. We got the boy anywhere they done send film. We got killers and guns with red beam.
Yeah. Go for them anywhere they done send film. We got killers with guns and red beam. You might say, yo, they got load like Game Boy SP, bro. What y'all know about that? Remember Game Boy SP? You put it, yeah, crazy. You put the cartridge on the bottom, bro. That man, that line was crazy. That was one of the hardest lines in the shit. And man, I be a tough line tonight. The reason why they want the man tying it back to their childhood, bro, it's like crazy. Like Game Boy SP that change train of a load gun from them time.
Grand blood a stain from a pint of me, him ton boy in a range, head a leak and a drain them down, but a tall Zizi them friend. One from never change loyal.
Oh, Zizi. It's not Zizi, Zizi, alright.
To the grave, Tony line in a slave mansion, na the waves and I try stop it thing, me we start up it flame, push it down in a earth, we dissolve na the clay. Yeah. I saw we run up on a pussy empty 10 piece, the clip load like Game Boy SP, we left it in silently, then we.
Yo, that's bad, this bad people, this bad. Yo, Squash, Zizi, wanna find it down, this bad.
Go back out till I'm blame with. So we run up on a pussy empty 17. We go for boy anywhere they dance and film. We got killers and guns in the red beams.
No man, I'm too no. And I beat them bad man, this bad. The man out there 6 talented, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
I thought them a make, me hear them a make talk, but them down bad sauce, spring span glass, make boy.
Oh, Squash, I want to best in a dog. You don't rhythm carry it when we say rhythm carry call. You know where dog got you up for dog, sort out everything. But Squash, I want to best to do it in a dog. Real shit, bro. The man know if you make hits. It's crazy, bro.
Damn shot, take your 3 points from your this side, from your this bad man, anyway we do the drag. Anyway I tell me, say anyway me turn it over there, so tell a pussy. 16 bus face and it like a fire rapid. Anyway I tell me, say anyway I pants bus chest head a boom football.
Come anyway I tell pan head a boom football. Yo, this nigga one of the best to do it, bro. If the man can do shows and them thing, the dog definitely will be one of the best in the dance hall. I don't cap.
I kill boy from a small, them I get it on the plaza or in a mall. I saw we run up on a pussy empty 10 piece. The clip load like Game Boy SP. We left it in silently, then we go back out till I'm blame me. I saw we run up on a pussy empty 17. We go for boy anywhere they dance and film. We got killers and guns with the red beam. Pussy empty. I saw we run up on a pussy empty. I saw we run up on a pussy
empty. Yo, melody man, you know hear melodies? Eh? Come here now, man.
I saw we run up on a pussy empty.
Yo, the boy is Zizi. Yo, Zizi. You're talented, yo. Yeah, man. You next up, nigga. Yo. You next. I need to hear more tune from you, nigga. Big man thing. People want to know more tune from Zizi.
Question.
10 tune. Something like for your tune. Listen to tune for the first time and say, yo, who the artist here? Yo, this song about Julie. Yeah, man, that's so song for bad, man. I'm telling man, yeah, man. More tune like that. People find more songs like that and send to me. Right away, right now. Drop a foot. I want to drop a foot right now. You see me? That mad people like the energy for that there. Squash and Zizi. Yo, Zizi. I need to know more tune from Zizi people. We know where the Zizi come from. Let me know in the comment section. Drop all them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man, when you come from, how long dog do music, what other tune the dog have out there and the body, and you know what I'm saying? Big up on yourself, Squash and Zizi. I don't know, Squash always are doing thing, dog. Yo, the 6 is talented, you know? Enough youth man boss, you know? Big man thing, dog. Enough youth man boss, man. The man boss youth. Yeah, it's crazy. Enough people come out of the 6 camp and under the 6 flag. So, yeah, at the end of the day, for sure. Give Squash respect, dog. You see me? Yeah, man, dude, that was real dope track, man. Real dope track. I enjoyed that one a lot. That's getting added to the playlist for sure. Let's get added to the playlist for sure. I go cap to you. Yeah, man, people, let me know anything about that one day. You see me dropping the comments in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part. Who you think took the track? Was Squash or Zizi? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part. The melody, beat, lyrics, what it was. Definitely, if you like, go show the artist some love and support. Links would be in the description. And let me know you want me to react to next and I'll get it done. Yeah, man. Drop in the comments as always. You're going to see your comments. If your request is turning, you're going to see all that. You know what I'm saying? As I said, guys, I'm 2K. I'm 180 away from 2K. So give me hit the like and subscribe. I'm only away for 2K. One side, 2K. Road to 10K. We're not even stopping at 5K. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, help your boy out. Hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know. Till next time, guys. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here now hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.